whereas they had a different methodology. They focused on having experts in every single area, where their only job was that one little part of manufacturing, and that's what they essentially focused on. So this meant they had people that have been doing this day in, day out, and they really knew their job inside out, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually really funny. There was one point where a F40 Pro that had just been packaged and everything, he popped open the package to show us all the stickers.
This was Unky. He actually opened up, showed us that packaging. This is the first production batch, wasn't it?
Yeah. And then he was going to put all the stuff back, and the actual worker took it off him and did it themselves to make
They
sure it
didn't
was
trust him to do the right thing when he was putting it away. So that was actually quite cool to see that. Other things we got to see was their laser etching, etc. As in
that was spectacular to see. It was just like this
on
little
their
light,
ECs.
and just slowly it was like just becoming actual writing. Also, the KV testing was epic too.
Yes, so we got to see the KV testing that they do on the motors. They talked about the quality, was it the variation they work to, and one of the questions we ask is what happens when the motor's outside their tolerancy range, as far as KVs go. And they basically said those parts get pulled out, they get sent off to engineering, and they've got to then analyse and work out why those motors were actually out of tolerancy, as in the KVs were out of the specified tolerancy, and then they investigate what went wrong, and they basically go through and fix up the process if need be, isn't it?
Yeah.
And those motors actually get scrapped, which is kind of mind-blowing, isn't it?
It is crazy. There were like some motors I was like, man, if they're just a little bit out.
But even the size of some of the motors they had there, which was just mind-boggling. I mean, they had some really massive motors, didn't they?
They had some ginormous motors.
And it was just obviously, I mean, I sort of asked about the applications. They were everything from big heavy lift camera platforms
to big heavy lift people carrying platforms.
Yeah, so they're already doing custom motor manufacture for, I suppose, multi-rotors of some sort, designed to lift people. So they're already going down that path.
Those were some insane motors, I gotta say.
They
were heavy.
Without a doubt. So what we'll do, we'll leave the video at that, and you guys can actually have a look at the rest of the footage and some of the processes they use, etc. Look, we found it really, really fascinating. So hopefully you guys get as much out of it as what we did, and you find this of interest. And if you have any questions and comments, leave them down below.
Talk to you guys in the next one.
Catch you later.
See ya.